Completely waterproof. This is a marine speaker that's completely waterproof and can be used for several vehicles because it can withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. 15 Oz magnet. The speaker has a 15 ounces circuit magnet for a full-range audio and complete stereo speaker sound system. It has a frequency response of 100 Hz to 18 kHz and 4 ohms impedance. Weather resistant. It's a weather-resistant speaker made of polypropylene cone with cloth surround for a rugged and durable design. It is also engineered with heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket construction to combat sun damage. Low-profile design. Constructed with a low-profile design that can be easily installed on boats, marine watercrafts and other off-road vehicles. The built-in molded grille and classic white look also gives extra style to the vehicle. 4 inches standard size. These marine speakers are easy to install with a standard size of 4 inches, complete wirings and mounting hardware that comes with the package. It also has mounting depth of only 3 inches and cutout size of 97 mm. Top reviews from the United States. Great sound, water resistant, reasonable price. Exactly what I was looking for. Bought these for a portable DIY power pack for my boat. They were the perfect depth for the plastic water-resistant case I had laying around. They are loud, lightweight and came with all the hardware needed for the install. Don't expect Dolby Atmos Bose sound quality, but these speakers are very good for the price. I am very happy with the final project and all my friends want to make their own now. I will certainly recommend them. Hope this review helps.